You are about to enter the courtroom of Judge
Judie Tambellini.
The people are real. The cases are real. The rulings are final. This is Judge Judie.
Judge Judie.
Your Honor to you.
Okay. Your Honor. As the most prestigious judge, we wanted confirmation of this court case. Griswold versus Connecticut in 1965.
Carry on.
In 1879, a law provided that any person who uses any drug, medicinal article, or instrument for the purposes of preventing contraception shall be fined not less than $40 or imprisoned not less than 60 days. Law further provided that any person who assists, abets, counsels, causes, hires, or commands another to commit any offense may be prosecuted and punished as if he were the principal offender. In New Haven, Connecticut, this law was passed, and Planned Parenthood risked it by distributing birth control. The CEO of Planned Parenthood, Estelle Griswold, and C. Lee Buxton were charged $100 each for providing this birth control. The constitutional issue in question is, does the U.S. Constitution guarantee matrimonial privacy, or any privacy at all? Griswold personally believed that this challenged the 14th Amendment in the Due Process Clause, and she appealed her own case to the Connecticut Supreme Court. The state Supreme Court upheld the decision of the federal courts. The Supreme Court of the United States declared that in a 7-2 decision, written by Justice William O. Douglas, ruled that the law violated the right to marital privacy and couldn't be enforced against married people. The right to privacy is fundamental when it concerns the actions of married couples because it is such a character that it cannot be denied without violating those fundamental principles of liberty and justice which lie at the base of our civil and political institutions. Because a married couple's use of contraceptive constitutes a fundamental right, Connecticut must prove to the court that its law is absolutely necessary to overcome that right. Because Connecticut failed to prove this law was struck down as applied.
Me being the most prestigious judge in the world, I understand why you came to me. On this rare occasion, the Supreme Court is actually correct. The law that prohibited the use and or distribution of birth control is unconstitutional by the 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 9th, and 14th Amendment. I hereby declare Elise Griswold a fine, free person. Your case is dismissed. Goodbye.